Alright, today we got Ian in the shop working on his wife's rig, Dolly. We're going to be putting on this guy right here. Roll bar with lights. Ian's a lot like me. We get a lot of stuff secondhand, but that thing is in immaculate condition. So we're going to show you how we're going to mount that up. Not sure if we'll get the lights today, but we'll see. All right, so what we got to do first, Ian's already started on that side, is we got to get the tonneau cover off. We will be trying to go back with it. We're hoping we can slide it back in after the roll bar is mounted. So we'll work on getting this thing off. We'll get us some tools round up and then start you back up. Just comes off right here, right? These clamps?
Yeah. Should be like a 4 or 5.
Allen?
Yeah.
All right. We'll work on getting the old tonneau cover off. It should be able to come off. What holds the sun on? Nothing?
No.
Okay. Alright.
It's got set screws that attach it to the rails.
Alright.
But the problem is this side is missing.
Okay. Find another screw. Alright. So when we slide that thing back in,
it's going to have to be closed.
Okay.
And
so let's just go ahead and roll this down.
Okay. And then somebody's going to have to crawl up in here and set this.
Okay.
Front.
Yeah. Yeah. So slow it down, I guess about that much. Probably good.
Where do you want to go with it?
Let's just go straight back there. Alright. Yeah, so alright, we're gonna pick up the roll bar, stick it on there without scratching her. Oh. Alright. How far do you want it? I would say end of the bed line, or bed, this black part.
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at.
Alright, that looks good. I'm dead flush with it.
That's where I'm at.
Alright, so just know that you do have another option too, drill through if you wanted to.
Right.
But
the way these are designed, they're not meant to hold weight. They're just meant to look. Okay. Well, I mean,
looks like it'd hold weight.
It would, but it's not tied to the frame or tied to the.
Gotcha. Alright, so Ian's made some brackets that he looked at from Amazon, so we're going to put those on. Are you up against something underneath the bed? Okay. Looks a little long. Option we can do is we can take the grinder and grind just a little bit off the top. And right there fit, I believe. I'd put it more in the middle, wouldn't you? Or if you got two for each side, okay, I get you. I understand.
I think they're just a tad bit long.
Okay. This one's good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in already. Nut on the back end.
The bracket itself is threaded, so you can tighten it down with the
Nut.
bracket.
Those are not 13s.
Are they not?
No.
14s?
Yeah, at least. No 15s. The nuts are 15 on the back. The bolt is bigger. Alright, that one's in. I'm gonna test this first one. This front one up here. Yeah, it's gonna be cut bigger. Alright, so we will cut those and we'll get right back to you. So bring all those that don't work. We'll take them and grind a
I'd
little
say
bit off.
probably.
Yeah, 1/4 inch. It don't be much.
No.
Alright, got our brackets cut down. We're ready to put them in again. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. I'm gonna put it in the second one here, just because I don't know what's gonna interfere when we put the tonneau cover back on. We'll try it there. We can always move it later.
So technically, this this roll bar, sport bar is what they call it. So you'll see it on yours. Got these tapped holes.
Yeah, that's for the bedroom. Yeah.
Right. This roll bar is designed to go straight to that bedroom.
Bedroom, yeah. Yep.
But
Yeah, that's what we're doing right here.
right.
That's the same thing my tonneau cover did. It goes to bed rail and my roof rack
Right.
goes in. It's on there. All right, so now we'll gather up all our stuff for the tonneau cover to come back. Missing one screw. There's that one and that one. Here's this one.
It's in.
It's in it, okay. That's what I'm missing.
And then all of them are in it on that side.
Okay. All right, get this stuff out the way. We'll set it up here.
Oh, catching the back of the bed.
Oh, there you go. All right, how far does that need to go?
Right to the front of the bed. There's that weather stripping that's hanging down up front.
Okay. We'll put it back.
Kind of lay it up there on the.
Okay.
And that's just where it sits.
All right. So come look at this side. Make sure you're happy with it on where we sit on it, and then we will put it back together.
What we can do is roll this back.
Okay.
And see where it sits with the tailgate. that's going to be the. So slide back some.
Slide back, or back. Alright, just make sure we're even.
That's what I was going to do.
Good.
Yeah.
Look, so make sure we're even over there on the front. Oh yeah, that looks better.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, ready to bolt it down. How's that thing disconnect? Right there?
Yours not do that?
No, mine's got a little pull cord on the side.
Because what I'm going to do is figure out, probably keep some bungees with us and just wrap the bungee around and latch on so she can pull this forward.
Yeah. I mean, how often do you ride around with that open anyway?
Not very often, but if she got, like this morning with the roll bar, there was no way I was getting the tonneau cover
You're
rolled
just
back.
trying hard. I'll get you. I'll get you. You can get all those bolts back to the other side. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Figure it out. See. Oh, Ian. Oh, you need to go. It just clears, does it? Yeah. I think we're gonna go with this. Now get into it. Tight this. One other trick that we might can try is tight.
Well, what I was thinking is, Chuck.
Yeah. Well, so on mine, I don't know if we'll do it. We undo this thing, turn it sideways. You know what I'm saying? Unstrap it, unvelcro it, turn it up. This. That's what I have to do on my truck. Get it out the back. Unvelcro it. Pull it up like this.
That way.
Yep. When I can get to it just fine.
Okay.
To this side, to this side. Hey, you can reach up and hold this right here. Stays up there, maybe it's just a little bit. Go up to it.
Yeah, it's the bed not as long.
Okay. I mean, it's not well. So we got an option to cut that down a little bit. You want to? I mean, and you got that much room on it anyway.
Yeah.
So we'll cut these down too. You want to do that?
Well, looking at it doesn't feel like it's any different.
Right, I know. Drop on top. Does it go? It might just be these things just tight on the side. Let's get it flipped there. You know what I'm saying? See, it's just like it's just not lining up exactly right. I just got it. I did. Okay. Crisis averted. Now you wanna know what's happening? Yeah. Right. Over there. Blue's over there. It's not. Oh. That's taller than I can reach again. It's a little tight.
It is.
I mean, it'll work. That's the thing. You gotta be able to be willing to make it work. We can do it. And all it's doing is this just got that lower bracket sitting like this instead of like this. So right now it's gonna go in crooked. So move that bottom one out or move it. There you go. There you go. Right. Straight in like that if we go.
Hey, right there is the bed. So we might.
It's probably because of this right here being lifted up. Sam,
Well,
you're a little higher up there, a little thicker.
oh no, it's I think we got it twisted.
You ain't square.
Right.
Okay. Loosen this up. We'll re-square it. Which one's right? That side or this side?
Well, it's just like it needs to.
Move this way.
Right.
Alright, loosen these over here. I'm gonna pick them off, just loosen. Alright, loosen that first one up there. Just be careful when you loosen that one. Barely get it loose.
Okay.
Alright, I'll try to square it up.
Yeah, just like the front needs to come
Yep.
this way.
Alright. This is up 4. Yep. So these are still pretty tight right here.
Are they?
Yeah.
It's because it's jammed up in there.
What do you mean? Has it got room to move? To me, it's like this one needs to go that way, maybe. Alright, tap the front of this rail. This way, see if it comes. Alright, let's see if it's good to get in there now. There it is.
I was looking for it. You had it.
There you go.
What it was, Chuck, is
Just sitting like that.
well, why we couldn't get them in, it's got this plastic cap,
Yeah.
and it was sitting in between the cap and the actual metal bed rail.
What was?
That
thing?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's what we was fighting on both
Alright.
front sides.
So zip them down there. Get her together. with the amount of bolts sticking out underneath the mount. It's like this much, or the rest of Let me get this stuff out your way before you fall over it. All right, roll her on back. See how this looks.
No, hold on.
What?
This side's under the rail.
What's under what?
This crossbar.
Oh, gotcha.
Got it under.
Yeah. Might loosen all of that up. Okay. Good. Right. This part up here should stay tight all the time now.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
So, like Chuck was saying, we got this, or I got this second hand. I've done some research on it before I went and picked it up, but it is by TKMAUTO. They're sold on Amazon. This roll bar is technically classified as a sports bar, but this will go from these smaller sized pickups all the way up to a full size F250, F350. There's actually, it's slotted in here, and you can loosen it, stretch it, shrink it if you need to. Right. So, correct. The lights themselves, they are super 4x4 lights. You buy them on Amazon. They come with the guards. They come with halogen bulbs, but the guy that we purchased this from actually put LEDs in all of them. And I actually have two more to go on the bumper and the cab. So we're not going to do any wiring today. We don't have enough switches or Jeep to wire everything up. But yeah, I mean, I was kind of worried because normally when you see a roll bar, they're quite hard to install at times, but this one was fairly easy, to say the least. And had to make sure that we found one that worked with the tonneau cover, because my wife did not want to get rid of the tonneau cover. But that's about it. You can find these on Amazon. They're normally $280, $290 without the lights, and then the lights themselves are, I think, $100 for two. Okay. So if you know anything about Gladiators or anything like that, they do not have a light on the back of the cab. Their third brake light is here on the trunk, or on the tailgate. That guy, the guy that I bought this from, he actually wired it in to the brake light harness. So instead of having three back here, you actually have one up top now. He also, he flat out told me, he said, I like a lot of light, and I got tired of people tailgating me. So there is, I think it's a 20 or a 22-inch single row LED light bar that he had on a switch. Somebody got too close to him. If he was on a trail, he would turn that switch on, have that light bar on. And I can understand, I like a lot of light myself, but it's kind of, I like how it's tucked up in there, and just at a quick glance, you'd never know. But
so on-road rage, appropriate. We can use it to shine up for stuff in the back. If you're hooking up a trailer, got a trailer,
right,
you can see that as well.
Or if you're the last,
or you could blind somebody riding behind you.
Or if you're the last one in that line and it's getting dark on the trail, you can, so somebody come up behind you, they're not just seeing taillights, you can have that on, or if you're out camping or anything like that, you have that ability to have that light behind you and not have to have anything mounted to the bumper or the hitch or anything like that.
All right, TKMAUTO, and I'll link this. I'll put this on my Amazon site, so that way everybody can go buy it if they want one. My question is, can we put a rope on this thing and go snow ski? you know, redneck car hood behind you on a road.
If I made the payments and my name was on the title, I would say we'd try it. But it being my wife's, I do not.
She don't know what she don't know. All right, that's the install of this bed rack. Really simple. We get to go play now. We don't have any more work to do today. So we will come back and we'll wire this thing up. I am still trying to get in, and Christina talked into the aux beam light switch. You can operate it from your phone. They're just a little hard-headed. So we'll see. I might still make it. They're wanting a fancy switch. It's going to do a lot more wiring, a lot more trouble. I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. We'll see.
So the switch Chuck is talking about is there's a little puck on the driver's side grab handle right there at the windshield. And you can pop that out, and it's a 4-button switch that goes right inside the top of the grab handle. And has its own wiring harness, and it runs and it acts just like the factory style. There's a box that mounts on the passenger side.
Kind of like a switch pod.
Right.
Yeah.
And you run all your light harnesses to that, and then you can pick and choose which one you want to have on. And it's just ease of access for us. So now
Christina wants a switch on her A pillar.
that is correct.
Even though she's wrong, she wants it. So she might get it. Might get it. All right, guys. We're done with the work today. We did help out Ian today. He helped out his wife by installing this. Once you go check out Ian's page, I'm going to let him tell you about that, and also his detailing service. So go ahead, Ian.
So, like Chuck said, I do auto detailing, I do car detailing. I do more than just cars. I do trucks, vehicles. I've not dipped into boats, motorcycles, or campers or anything yet, but we are strictly mobile. That's all I do, unless I do a coating or anything like that. But that's what I strive to do, is to be able to come to you. You don't have to take it. You don't have to bring it to me. I have my own van, have my own water, my own power. I come directly to you, have everything I need. But I know a lot of people ask, why whosoever? And that's what I tried to base everything off of, is whosoever. And on this, it says Romans 10:13, for whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. And that's why I named it whosoever. It's a conversation starter. Somebody asks, well, what's the verse, and what is your logo? What does your name stand for? What does it mean? And that opens the door for me to be able to witness to somebody and spread the Lord's word through something that I enjoy doing. I don't see it as a job. I don't see it as a career. I see it as something I love to do. But I know me and Chuck had talked about doing a video on his wife's car, me coming over and showing him some products and getting his wife's car done for him. So me and him will talk about that. Y'all stay tuned and go check out my channel. I'm trying to change things from doing strictly time lapses to actually talking in the videos and giving y'all some advice and telling y'all exactly what I'm doing. So y'all head over there. I have Facebook and YouTube. Try to post as many pictures and things as I can. So I appreciate it.
And what's the name of your YouTube channel?
Whosoever Auto Detailing.
All right, all the work's done. This wraps this video. Y'all like, subscribe, share. We're up to 82 subscribers. We're growing. It's slow, but we're growing. Tell your friends. We just found something in Christina's tire, so we're gonna go patch a tire. Not gonna show that on the video, but come back next time. I know the next video you see may be me and the family camping. Hopefully, if everything works out, then we're gonna install fenders on my Gladiator, and we'll let you see all that. But stay tuned. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let us know if you like this bar. Like I said, you will be able to get this bar off of my Amazon page starting tonight.